Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a character on Talkie Soulful AI. Let's get started. First, download or update the Talkie Soulful AI app from the Play Store or App Store and sign in to your account. Then tap the plus icon or button in the main screen you can find it. Then tap Create My Talkie. Then choose a gender of your character and tap Start to continue. You now have the two options to design your character. You can upload a reference image, or type a prompt. Then tap Generate in a few seconds while your character is being created. You can customize the appearance and generated versions that tap the Create Image and hit Next to proceed. Then you can edit the character's information like the name, bio, and more, and select a voice for your character and then tap Next again. And the copyright agreement will pop up, then tap Confirm to finish. And that's it. You've just created your own custom Talkie AI character. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.